So this is going to be a quick video. I just want to show you guys my plants. I have all of the pepper plants over here. I am separating them from the tomato plants this year. I'm still waiting for this stuff to dry out. Oh, it looks like this one is starting to dry out, I think. But yeah, the seeds are looking really good in there, nice and plump. Onions. Can I eat these? These are like yellow onions, red onions, and I forget, white onions. Can I eat these tops or no? What in the world? Why is this going to seed? Or is that going to seed? Should I cut that off? What the heck? What is even going on? Anyways, tomato plant back there. Grapevine, still need to up pot it. I have, I think 4 tomato plants in the back. Let me back up some so you guys can see it. 4 tomato plants in the back. Still waiting for my collards to dry out. They're nice and plump as well. Should I be cutting off these other ones? Because I'm like, y'all just gonna keep going and going, and I ain't gonna never get the seeds. And I have squash growing. How exciting! Over there as well. Squash is the first thing to come out of all my stuff. Like all of my spring garden. So yeah, this is, I don't know what this is. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, this must be squash as well. This is squash, or it could be zucchini. It is zucchini. This is cucumber, yeah, that's cucumbers. Don't you know what that is? It's missing its thing. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Yeah, I don't know what this is. It's, I'm assuming maybe cucumbers, because it's not growing like the squash is growing. Radishes, need to pick some. I'm mad. I had picked some the other day and I had left them on our table and totally forgot about it. And by the next day, they were like dry. I was like, what the? Yeah, so cute little squashies coming through. Can y'all see them? The little cutie pie. I'm assuming this is either squash or zucchini. Squash. Beet. My 1 carrot plant. Look at this squash. Oh yeah. I still have a lot of stuff I need to up pot. I need to get some more grow bags. I don't know what this is. This is cucumbers. This might be cucumber. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm not even gonna pretend like I do. Then have more tomato plants over here and more squash and zucchini plants over here as well. This one on a struggle bus, y'all. The slicing cucumber, child, that one is on a struggle bus. But yeah, that is what everything is looking like. I'm so excited. But anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed it. Oh wait, I didn't show y'all this. I lied. So these are the potatoes going nicely. My marigolds are like on a struggle bus as well. These are yeah, I don't know what's going on with those. Then garlic is doing fine. Some of my marigolds, they have like the flowers, but a lot of them do not. Like the majority of them do not. Lettuce, I put the lettuce in the raised bed way too late, but whatever. It is what it is. I know better come this fall because I'm gonna do it. I'm starting all my seeds in August, and I'm not coming on camera, y'all, because I look a hot mess. But yeah, this is what everything is looking like. Now, for real, thank you all so very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye.